Have you ever watched someone cook without a single glance at a recipe? No measuring cups, no timers, just a dance of hands, ingredients, and intuition. This is where cooking transforms from a science into an art. It's about a conversation, a deep connection between the chef and the food. Forget rigid instructions and precise measurements for a moment. Instead, think about the feel of dough beneath your fingertips. Is it soft, elastic, alive, or the vibrant scent of freshly chopped herbs releasing their fragrance into the air? This is the language of food, and it's spoken through the senses. When you cook by feel, you're not just following steps. You're creating a story. You learn to listen to the sizzle in the pan. A gentle simmer sounds different from a rapid boil, and a perfect sear has its own distinct crackle. You start to see the subtle shift in color as onions turn from sharp white to sweet, translucent gold. Your nose becomes your guide, telling you when garlic is fragrant, but not yet bitter, or when spices have toasted just enough to bloom. It's a multi-sensory experience that no cookbook can ever fully capture. This journey from following recipes to creating instinctively doesn't happen overnight. It's built on a foundation of practice, countless trials, and yes, a few happy accidents. Each dish you make, you learn something new. You remember the time you added a pinch too much salt or didn't let the pan get hot enough. These aren't failures, they're lessons. They build an internal library of flavors, textures, and techniques that you can draw upon. Slowly, you gain the confidence to improvise, to swap an ingredient, to add a spice that just feels right. Imagine crafting a meal that is uniquely yours, a dish that exists only in that moment, born from your experience and your mood. It's a pinch of this, a dash of that, guided by memory and a feeling in your gut. This is the magic of intuitive cooking. It's not about perfection, it's about personality. It's about pouring a part of yourself into what you create, making every meal a personal expression, a delicious signature. So next time you're in the kitchen, try putting the book down. Trust your senses. Listen to the ingredients. You might just be surprised by the masterpiece you create. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more inspiration.